The earth is our home. We are creating the new earth, a planet of prosperity, peace, and joy, where all children may rejoice as members of one human family, where all children have enough, never have to go hungry or go without, where all children know love and are supported in their growth, creativity, and success. A world where every child and human being has access to clean water, clean food, clean air, and the highest quality education, support, and guidance available. Where our friends, our oceans, our wildlife are respected, celebrated, and protected for generations to come. Where our lives, our air, our oceans, our forests are clean, thriving, and full of life. The new earth has done away with war, with poverty, and the scarcity-driven battle for resources, profit, and power at the cost of our integrity, happiness, and future. We know there is more than enough for everyone, and that personal gain comes second to the sanctity of our planet, our human family, and our wildlife. We support the education of children about sustainability, the diversity of our environment, and the importance of honoring the lands inherited from our ancestors. No more shall we walk the path of destruction, of oblivion. We speak life into our youth to inspire them to do right by themselves, the planet, and the generations to come. We will provide infrastructure for communities worldwide, providing shelter, healthcare, safety, food, water, and education for our families, starting with where it's needed most. We will provide our youth the highest quality education available, including health, arts, culture, sustainability, emotional and social intelligence, leadership, history, financial intelligence, meditation, and spirituality. We will show our children how to discover their life purpose and destiny, while simultaneously providing the very resources and support needed to make it a reality. We will spread the word about the pressing call for us to wake up and take full responsibility for our lives and the impact we're creating on this world. We know the new earth will be born in the raising of consciousness, from that of scarcity, separation, and violence to that of unity, prosperity, and peace. Our mission is one in the hearts and minds of the youth, with their remembrance of oneness, love, compassion, and limitless resourcefulness. Everything to fulfill this mission is here in abundance: the resources, the people, the guidance, the knowledge, the desire, the passion, the love to do what is right for all. Our earth is our home, and it is our duty to act responsibly to ensure the survival of our planet's ecosystems. It starts with you and your choice to honor our planet. Awakened Youth Collective was founded to fulfill a collective vision of a better planet for our children. We know the earth is our home, and our responsibility as members of the free world is to honor our planet, our environment, and our future. May we never forget our roots and our responsibility to the well-being of the planet. Spread the word and share this video with a friend, with a sibling, with a child today.